If you don't want your Etsy shop to get shut down, then you need to hear this, especially if you are a new seller. I wasn't even going to make a YouTube video about this, but recently I put up a quick video about it on my TikTok, and there were a lot of people saying they had no idea about this, and there were a lot of questions about it, so I figured I would make a video to let other people on this platform know as well. So basically, the bottom line is that you cannot purchase anything from your own Etsy shop. Etsy will flag it, they will shut your shop down, and you will not be able to open another Etsy shop. I always heard about this, but I never knew that it was actually true until recently. Someone I know started an Etsy shop and they purchased something because they wanted to make sure that their shop was up and running properly, and Etsy shut their shop down. They have not been able to open another shop. So it is in fact true, unfortunately. A lot of new sellers don't know about this, and they'll want to make sure that their shop is running properly, like the people I knew, or they might be trying to get a couple sales in their shop so that they can leave some reviews and get the ball rolling. If that's the case, then I suggest asking friends or family to purchase some things from your shop and to leave reviews on the items, but make sure also that they are not on your IP address in your home when they're logging into their Etsy shops, because it will get flagged that way too. It has to be someone off of your IP address, not using your same bank card, nothing associated with the owner of the shop, or else it will get flagged and you'll never be able to open another shop again, because Etsy will remember the IP address, they'll remember the address, the banking information. There's no way around it really. Now, if you're doing Etsy print on demand like I do and you wanna test the products out, this is what I suggest you do. I suggest that you go into PRINTIFY and you order yourself a sample. And this was another question that came up on that TikTok was, do the samples cost money? Yes, they do, but for peace of mind, it might be worth it for you in the beginning to get a sample. If you don't want to get samples, that's totally okay. I'm here to tell you as an experienced seller that I have thousands of 5-star reviews from happy customers, and I myself have purchased items along the years, sweatshirts, t-shirts, tote bags, mugs, and ornaments, stockings, random things from PRINTIFY, and it's always been the best quality. And if there's ever an issue, you can always ask for a refund or a reprint. So you don't have to order samples, but if you want to, I'm going to show you how you easily can right now. All right, so super simple. You would just come into PRINTIFY and go to your products, and then you would come up here to create order and come down to sample. And then you would choose the product that you want to order, so select, and then you would come here to shipping, and then you would fill out all of this information and then click calculate shipping, and then your order would go through. That way, if you're new to this, you have peace of mind. You're seeing how long the package takes to get to you from PRINTIFY. You're seeing the quality of the product, and then you'll just have peace of mind that your products will be sent out nicely to your customers as well. I really hope you had the chance to watch this video before making that mistake. Also, if you're completely new to Etsy Print on Demand, go ahead and click that link in my description below for my free Print on Demand to Freedom course. It's going to help you get set up on Etsy, set up on PRINTIFY, sync the two, and get rolling today. Also, if you've been selling on Etsy but you're struggling to get some sales, I can take a look at your shop. In the description below is my shop review link. It is limited spots per month, so go ahead and check that out. But regardless, you know you can always find me here for some free Etsy Print on Demand content weekly. I'll see you in the next video.